welcome back to my channel. So I am just sitting and relaxing in my home. Okay, we are about to do some DIY projects. I'm currently like in my living room, and as you can see, my walls are still bare. I have zero decor like up on the walls here, so I figured it's probably about time that I start to make something happen. Okay, so today I actually went out a couple days ago and bought these large canvas paintings. As I mentioned before, the theme of my house is like this luxe but minimal contemporary art gallery, right? So all of the I wanted just these extra large like canvas paintings up, but I didn't want to pay those prices. So I will be doing a lot of DIY projects, but first things first is we're going to paint these canvas paintings. So I have an idea of what I want to do. I have two paintings that will be going on both sides of my fireplace, and then I also have one that's going to be off on the kitchen. So I am super excited to kind of start that process. So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so here I have my 3 canvases. So I actually already primed them using my white gesso painting for acrylic as like an acrylic base. So these 2 paintings will go over my fireplace, which let me show you guys. So this picture will not be there. That will be replaced with a TV that is mounted once I get my outlet over. But here we have like this little nook here and a little nook there. So I wanted to be symmetric. So they will have the 2 big paintings will be on that side. They will not look exactly the same, but the color schemes will be the same. And then we have the smaller or more narrow canvas painting, which I actually want to go in this space right here. So I just felt like there's something missing here, and so I definitely want to put a gallery light and then, you know, some sort of abstract painting right there to go with the rest of the kitchen. So I think this will only be black and white, and then the other 2 paintings will be black, white, and nude, just to kind of pull from the nude that is in my living room / family room already. So don't mind the mess. I am kind of like all, you know, I'm living in my living room, so don't mind the mess. But yeah, super excited to do this. And I did want to show you guys this. I actually just got this from At Home. It's crazy because I feel like I was manifesting. I really wanted a black metal wall art piece to go. Let me back up so that you guys can see kind of like the full wall here. So I really wanted a black metal art piece to go here, and I went to so many stores, could not find what I was looking for, but I knew it existed, and At Home was the only store that I did not go to, and luckily is not too far from me. So found this, love it. The only thing, once I get my canvas paintings up, the only thing that's missing is on this wall, I want to put 2 IKEA mirrors, which are currently out of stock. So I'm so upset, but it should be coming back in stock in 3 weeks. So once I get my IKEA mirrors, I then want to raise this plant, and like the wall decor at that point should be done from at least from down here, from this standpoint. Actually, no, I lied, because we still have to paint this wall black. So anyway, super excited, but here we go. Let's go ahead and get into the first painting. Hey everyone, so I am making a mess in my kitchen, but I am painting my canvases. So right now I just did kind of like the background. It is not done, but this is what it's looking like so far. I feel like the camera makes it a little bit, I don't know, the colors look a little odd on camera, but sorry guys, I'm about to trip and fall. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. These are going to be abstract art paintings. Again, it is not done, it's just the background that I painted. I'm going to add something slight kind of on top, so I will show you guys the finished product. So I am just letting these dry. I have one more smaller canvas painting to go, so just wanted to kind of keep you guys updated on the progress.